All right, we are going to add and subtract polynomials. Our first example, let's take the binomial 4x squared minus 3x and add the binomial 2x squared plus x. So when we're adding like terms. So the parentheses aren't really important anymore. I want to add together these two, add the coefficients. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. X squared. Keep the same variable and exponent. I'm just totaling how many I have. Next, I can add these two together because they're both just x terms. If you want, you can put a 1 in front. And then if I add here, negative 3 plus 1, I'd have negative 2x. I cannot add these together since they are not like terms. Okay, let's do another example. This time, let's subtract. In parentheses, let's take 4x to the fourth minus 2x to the third plus 6. And we will subtract, put in parentheses, 3x to the third minus 10 plus 5x to the fourth. Okay, sometimes our polynomials are not going to be in order, so we will make sure to put them in order when we're done. Whenever it's subtraction, distribute the negative sign first. I want to subtract all three of these, so I need to make sure that the minus distributes to all of them. So I'll start by recopying the first polynomial, distribute the minus sign, which changes all of my signs, so now it's minus 3x to the third, plus 10, and minus 5x to the fourth. So when writing my answer, I want to start with the highest exponent, which would be the x to the fourth. So these two can be added together, and I'll get negative 1x to the fourth. My next highest exponent is x to the third. We have two of them, so negative 2 and negative 3 would give us negative 5x to the third. And then finally, our constants would go last, and when we add 6 and 10, we'll get 16. So our final answer should be negative 1x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus 16. So adding and subtracting is just really combining like terms. Just make sure that if it's subtraction, you distribute the minus sign first, and then add your like terms together and list everything in order.